Hello all the warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today I'm going to show you about the battery case. Okay, so here I have three different type of the battery case. I'm gonna open it and I will show you which one can fit how many pieces of the battery. Okay, so let's start with the video. Let's go. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I have three, right? And those two, we're gonna start from this two, because these two are the Tamiya. Also, like basically the Tamiya has those battery case, so those two are it's basically exactly same as the Tamiya has it. So we start from this one. So this one, what I have here, it can fit 10 of the AA battery. But this one, they also have another designs. You can put the AAA battery like here. So you can put the AAA battery over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can fit a AAA, and then 2 pairs of a AA. Okay, so this is like total. You can fit 10 batteries. Okay, for the AA. Okay, and the other one here we have, it's up and down, like different levels, and the top is 1, 2, 3, and the bottom is another 1, 2, 3. So the total, you can fit about 12 batteries here. Okay, so total you can fit 12 battery, and those two are actually the size is pretty small. Like for myself, this one it can fit in my tools box, so it's very good. If I'm going to some like out of province or somewhere else, is not in Winnipeg, Canada, then I would definitely bring this one. But of course, there's another one over here, and this is usually what I'm using very often, because as you can see here, this one has 2 different levels as well. But this one, there's have 1, 2, 3, 4 spots, and each spot it can fit 3 pairs, so 6 batteries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, so it can totally fit 24 batteries. Okay, so it's good for, you know, some people, they have a lot of cars. Like for example, myself, I have a lot of cars. So let's say sometimes I bring into let's say last time I went to Toronto, I bring 6 cars, so each car need 2 battery, and then plus another 2 for the spare. So the total is already 24. Okay, so that's why I bring this, because this is just enough, totally enough for me if I'm bringing like 5, 6 cars. So then I only need to bring 1 battery case, then you can fit all of them. All right, so here I just share with you about like the battery case that I have, because I bought this first, then I realized this is not good enough, then I go with this one. And then after that, I realized I have more cars, and more cars I need more battery. So then in the end, I go with this one, the 24 batteries, the battery case. And the size, you can see these two are pretty much same high. And the size for this one, you can see, let's have a checkbox. Then we'll put it in. It definitely fit, and it's like not even like, it probably just like 2/3 size for the checkbox, and it's not even higher than the checkbox. So this just give you an idea how big this battery case that is. Alright, so this is today's battery case quick video. Okay, so if you like this video and you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.